Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, it's going to be unboxing video. This is a bag that I bought from Kenzo. So I ordered this one. I really wanted to buy like a brand new bag from Kenzo. That is not like from a secondhand retail online store. So when I saw that they have like 40% discount, I took advantage because of the Black Friday sale that they have. So it was a really good deal though, because I forgot again. I'm gonna link the price that I paid on this video later on, but this is the bag that I ordered from Cancel. So it got to my address this morning. So that's why I'm making this video. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this one. It's really cool that their example, like their packaging. You don't need like, I have a scissors over here in case I need it, but when it comes to this, it has like, you can just actually just like do this one, and you don't have to use scissors to actually open it. So it's like very convenient for people who doesn't need to like actually like destroy the. So I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna place it to you guys so that you can actually see it. All right, Kenzo. It's cool. You can see the design over here, Kenzo, and then what is this? Okay, it just see this one has very protector, but this is the dust bag over here. The Kenzo logo, and again, this was just the invoice. Because like I bought like a hat last time from Kenzo, so it's just like a fancy, I'll just double check. I think it's invoice. Yeah, it's invoice. But they have like a fancy envelope that goes along with the invoice, so it's really cool. Alright, so it's time to open the Kenzo. This is the Happy Tiger Backpack. So I got the green one because I wanted it to match to my whenever I'm wearing my scrubs, because like for my school, our scrubs is like hunter green. So this one would, at least like hopefully blend in with the scrubs, in case if I go to clinicals, and I can just actually wear this one. See this one. So excited to get this one done. It's really cool. So here's the Kenzo backpack, Happy Tiger. So it's really cool. I can see because the Kenzo over here, it's what you call this, embroidered, so you can actually see the touch it. It's like raised a bit. So this one, let me see. I'm just gonna check like whatever. So the front pocket over here. So open it. So this one is inside. Again, there's like this like protectors that pads so that it can not ruin the shape of the bag if it's stored for a long time. But yeah, so this one is the front pocket, and then the main one. So it has the Kenzo over here. If you open it, the big thing over here, I'll open it some more. And here's the actual inside, and then there's another. But yeah, if you can actually see that one. So there's nothing really crazy. So what is this? It's a fancy like additional stuff over here. So the dimensions of the bag, again, I forgot. It's like, I think 14 by 24 by 12 centimeters. And what I like about this Happy Tiger backpack, because this is made in Vietnam, so it's not like really made in Paris basically, and you can actually verify that one because they already posted that one, the product details, on their website. So it's not like they're hiding something that is it's not made from somewhere else, and which is good, right? The transparency sometimes, because I'm not sure. Again, this is my first time buying from Kenzo, because because of the scandal that happened like a few months ago about like products being made somewhere else in China, and not from actually like France, so that people complain about it, that they're being deceived and stuff. So this one, but enough of that though. So, but this bag is really amazing because this is this is made from polyester. So I kind of like did some searching about like polyester, why it was used in making backpacks, right? So the advantage of polyester, because it's a type of polymer that has like ester linkages, whatever, and then so that if you use it in creating like a backpack like this, it's gonna be more versatile. It's gonna be more scratch resistant, and then also waterproof. So in case if you're using this backpack and it's raining, you're not gonna be like worried about like, hey, is it gonna be like damaging the we call this the backpack. So it's waterproof, so you just need to probably let it dry so that it's not gonna be moldy and stuff, or having like water stain issues. So that, which is good. And then also since it's polyester, is more affordable than uh, other types of leather, right? Because other leathers are more expensive because they take more time to actually like manufacture. And then using polyester in making backpacks is just like also somehow being eco-friendly, because like polyester can be recycled. So example, if you throw this away, dispose it, later on, like there's gonna be uh, companies that are able to reuse this one because it's recyclable. So this is a good thing, right? Because especially like if the leather or textile is not what you call it, can't be decomposed. So it's just gonna be like, if it's thrown somewhere in the soil, it's not gonna be decomposed, and it's gonna be like creating like garbage that would be like stuck in the environment for years. So it's not good, and that's like a problem that is happening for years now. Like when there was like a docu series in Netflix that like like, I'm not sure what, I forgot the title though, but it was like featuring like people are ordering a lot of stuff online from Amazon, and then there's a lot of boxes like clothes and stuff like that. They're just like on this ocean, so it's just like creating like environmental hazard that can kill the animals and also pollute the environment. So it just being eco-friendly or thinking about it, do help, a little bit, because again, if one person makes a difference and then other people would follow, it can create like a domino effect and actually save the environment. All right, so again, this one, let me see if the straps, I'm trying to see if there's like a specific fancy things on the, yeah, no, it's just like this one. I was like regular green. I was hoping like it would say Kenzo a bit, or like a specific, especially for Kenzo in the bottom part. No, it's fine. All right, so again, if you buy, I think they still have more sales stuff in the Kenzo website. Yeah, so again, I took advantage of the 40% discount. Uh, okay, all right, guys. Happy Thanksgiving and enjoy your day. Take care.